In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish landing page on Carrd. By the end, your landing page will be live and shareable, either on a free Carrd subdomain or on your own custom domain. First, head to the Carrd website and open your dashboard. Once you're in, open the site you want to publish so the builder loads. At the top of the editor, click the Publish button or the Save Publish icon. This opens the Publish panel, where you'll add the details that appear in browsers and search results. Enter a clear, concise title for your page. Think of this as the headline that shows in the Browser tab and on search engines. Short and descriptive works best. Aim for something memorable that matches the content of your page. Next, add a description. This is your meta description, 1 or 2 sentences that summarize your offer in plain language. Include the most important keywords naturally to help with discoverability when the link is shared. Now, choose your action. This simply means how you want to publish. If you want the fastest route, select Publish to a .carrd.co URL. This gives you a free subdomain. Pick something simple and brand aligned. Carrd will let you know if the name is available. If you already have your own web address, choose Publish to a custom domain. This option requires a pro plan. When prompted, type in the domain you want to use exactly as you want it to appear, such as with or without. Keep in mind that connecting a custom domain may require DNS updates with your domain provider. Carrd will display the specific records you need, and it can take a little time for those changes to take effect. When everything looks good, click Publish. Carrd will build your page and provide the live link. Open it to confirm your title and description display correctly and that the page loads as expected on desktop and mobile. Anytime you make changes in the editor, just return to Publish to push the latest version live. That's all it takes to publish your landing page on Carrd.